This is Ben, and we're looking at an ACT reading question in the science section. This question says, the passage suggests that some variations in domesticated animals may not appear normal because. So this is sort of a details question. We need some evidence for a specific piece of information, which is that some variations in domesticated animals don't appear normal or may not appear normal. So we're looking for something that's kind of implied. Okay, so if we read this passage the way that we usually do, where we've read the beginning and we've read the conclusion to the passage, we might remember that at the very end of the passage, we found evidence for this question. Because the whole passage really is about that variability, so it's going to be hard to kind of scan for this if you haven't read the passage. If you skimmed really quickly, this might be a question to come back to. It says here, we can further understand how it is that domestic, okay, so there's that word domestic, like it says in the question, races of animals and cultivated races of plants often exhibit an abnormal character. So abnormal being the opposite of normal, so may not appear normal, as compared with natural species, for they have been modified not for their own benefit, but for that of man. So they haven't undergone natural selection, they've undergone changes for the benefit of humans. So let's see here. It looks like that we'd be looking at either option 3 or 4 here. We're going to rule this one out. It's not about them being tamed. It's not about them being adapted to a different environment from where they live. They are adapted to their environment, it's just that they live in a man-made environment. The animals have traits that do not serve them in the wild, or some physical aspect of the animal is man-made. Well, it's not that the physical aspect of the animal is actually man-made, it's that they were bred in such a way that they have traits to serve humans, not the animals. So we're going to rule out 4, and we're going to choose this one right here.